Hi there and welcome to Titan. Today we're going to be looking at how you can build a vendor portal for your industry with Titan without any code and have all of your data come from Salesforce. Let's check it out. So the first thing we see here is a login screen. I'm going to put in my email address here and now the two-factor authentication code that I get at my email address. Now that I'm securely logged in, I can bring all of the data that's related to my email address from Salesforce, everything having to do with my account as a vendor for this organization. So what you see here is a full website that really gives you the ability to access all the things you need as a vendor, your info, your work in progress, your shipments, analytics, and etc. And everything here is coming from Salesforce. As you can see, this name here, Hi John Smith, is dynamic and is coming from Salesforce based on the login that I used. And so now let's jump over to my info. What you can see here is this is a place where you can actually update your info about the organization, including contacts, everything you need to have all of your profile filled out. Let's go to analytics, where you can actually see the analytics of the orders and the purchases that you have going on with the organization that you're a vendor for. So here are different reports coming, and all of this is coming from information that's in Salesforce. As you can see, here's the purchase orders. We can see work in progress, so WIP. And what I can do here is I can see my different purchase orders. I can click on one and say, hey, do I want to add something? Do I want to actually go in and edit it inside of the record? Here it is. Here's all of the work, and here's the different dates and the different things that happened on the job site. And I can actually go ahead and do inline editing here, which is really nice and really easy. Change the quantity, change the station if I want, just with a few clicks. Very simple to do. So let's also jump over and see some shipments. So we actually built in here a little wizard for creating packing slips. So I can actually look up to the different purchase orders that I have with the organization. It'll then pre-fill the information, give me the location of the work order, and then I can go ahead and create a packing slip really easily there. We can also do things like creating additional certifications if we need for our organization, uploading documentation, and a lot more. So this is just one way that you can improve the vendor experience or any experience of anyone who you're working with using Titan with the power of Salesforce. Stay tuned for more.